If you want to create consistent characters using ChatGPT, the key is to stop thinking of your character as a one-time prompt and start treating them like a repeatable profile. In this video, I will show you a simple workflow you can use to keep the same character details consistent across scenes, stories, and prompts. This is especially useful if you are writing fiction, building brand mascots, creating roleplay characters, or developing a visual identity for AI-generated content. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more practical AI tips and tutorials. Let us get into it. First, open ChatGPT in your browser. The very first thing you need to do is create what is often called a character Bible. A character Bible is basically a master profile that holds all the important information about your character in one place. Instead of asking ChatGPT to invent the character again every time, you give it a stable reference it can follow. This helps reduce inconsistency in appearance, personality, speech, and behavior. Start by writing down the most important details. Include the character name, age, physical appearance, clothing style, personality traits, speaking style, and any recurring habits or objects. These recurring details are extremely important because they give the model something memorable to lock onto. For example, if your character always wears a faded corduroy jacket or always flips a silver coin when nervous, that anchor helps keep the character recognizable from one response to the next. Now type a prompt like this. Act as a creative writing assistant. I will provide a character profile. Memorize these traits and ensure every future response featuring this character strictly adheres to them. Then press enter. This sets the expectation that ChatGPT should treat the profile as a guiding reference for future outputs. While the model does not truly memorize in the human sense, this kind of instruction helps it maintain consistency within the conversation. After that, paste in your character Bible. A strong profile should be detailed but still clear. For example, you might define a character named Elias Thorne. You could describe him as a mid-40s man with prematurely gray hair, a faded corduroy jacket, short-clipped sentences, no contractions, and a habit of flipping a 1924 silver dollar over his knuckles when nervous. Notice how each part of that profile gives the model something specific to preserve. The more distinct and organized your profile is, the better the output will be. Next, you want to test the profile with a scene prompt. Type something like this. Using the profile above, write a scene where Elias Thorne reacts to a crowded, noisy gala. Then press enter. This is where you check whether ChatGPT is actually following the character details. You should look for whether the hairstyle, clothing, speech pattern, and nervous habit all stay consistent. If something feels off, do not just accept it. Instead, refine the profile and make the details even more explicit. One of the best ways to improve consistency is to separate your character profile into categories. For example, use headings in your prompt like appearance, speech, personality, and anchor. Under appearance, describe things like age, hair, clothing, posture, and facial expression. Under speech, describe whether the character talks formally, casually, or in short sentences. Under personality, define whether they are anxious, confident, sarcastic, warm, or cold. Under anchor, add the one object, gesture, phrase, or habit that makes them unique. This structure makes it much easier for ChatGPT to stay aligned. If you want even stronger consistency, reuse the exact same wording every time you prompt the character. Do not keep rewriting the profile in a completely different style if you can avoid it. Repetition helps reinforce the core details you want preserved. You can even keep a master prompt saved in a Notes app, document, or template, so you can paste it whenever you need the character again. Another useful tip is to ask ChatGPT to remain faithful to the profile before you request the scene. You can say something like, "Stay strictly in character and do not change the established traits." That reminder helps reduce drift, especially in longer conversations where the model may start to generalize or improvise too much. If the character begins sounding different, simply restate the profile and continue. You can also use this method for different creative projects. If you are writing a novel, it can help you keep a supporting character consistent across chapters. If you are making comics, it can help with repeated dialogue and personality. If you are creating marketing content, it can help maintain the same mascot voice across campaigns. Even for AI-generated content workflows, having a strong written character profile can help you produce more reliable prompts for visual consistency. Let us go back to the Elias Thorne example for a moment. If you prompt ChatGPT with a scene of Elias entering a gala, you would expect him to feel reserved, speak in short-clipped lines, avoid contractions, and maybe nervously flip his silver dollar. If the response suddenly makes him cheerful, modern, or overly verbose, that means the profile needs tightening. In that case, add more constraints and repeat the most important traits near the top of the prompt.
A good rule of thumb is to make the anchor memorable and specific. Generic anchors like "he is nervous" are too vague. Something like "he flips a 1924 silver dollar over his knuckles when nervous" is far more distinctive. That kind of detail helps define the character in a way the model can easily reproduce. So the full process is simple. Build a clear character Bible, give ChatGPT the instruction to follow it, paste the profile, and then test it with scene prompts. Refine the profile until the responses stay stable. Once you have that workflow in place, creating consistent characters becomes much easier and much faster. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more ChatGPT tutorials, AI workflows, and content creation tips. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video showing you how to turn this same character into consistent images, story scenes, or a reusable prompt template. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.